right, guys, we've got another one. Knocking them out of the ballpark lately here. And here's another one of the free ones down here that didn't get talked about upstairs past the other line. So there's a few of the 64-bit ones made it down in here too as well. And we are skipping over a few items. If there's some real diehard fans that are going in order, I am skipping some things because they warrant a little bit more attention on the videos. These are easy to blaze through and just kind of talk about, you know. Here's another one. It's a work of C. Hackle. It's GrooveBoxII, made with SynthMaker. It's cool. It's in my system here. I've got it highlighted. I do like this thing. It's kind of neat. With me, it's that kind of learning thing to see how all these are pieced together. SynthMaker is kind of cool, and just yeah, it's cool. It has a panic button. You know, anything with a panic button is kind of sweet. So with that being said, I mean, I kind of like the layout of it too, sort of. Nothing fancy. It's pretty cut and dry. Let's take a listen to some of the presets here. Let's give I think they always like to, is it just a super saw in the beginning? Hey, that's a super saw for you. Okay, so the next one here, he's got a sequence groover. Nothing. I got nothing. Weird stuff going on in that. It's a weird noise, man. I like that. That's really crazy. Fishy? I'll go into fishy. Very weird. I mean, his style of sound design is good. I'd rather hear and see some really crazy wonky ass presets that you're probably not going to put into your mix, but is going to show you some really crazy aspect of the tool. And yeah, I think that's better than just like, oh, let's give everybody some really cool shit, and then you're hearing outputs presets in every single song. Arcade. Yeah, don't get me started, guys. We'll talk about that later. So let's do some more presets here on this, and let's see polysynth. Yeah, dude, it's a weird little tool, man. There is some artifacts and some weird things going on in there. It's dirty, it's not polished up, it's 32-bit, and interesting, gritty, complex, simple UI. You gotta like it. There's, it's not much here, but what it does a lot of. So with that being said, I mean, you can go check out this little GrooveBoxII by C. Hackle. I hope I said that right. But yeah, I don't know. You can go get this over on VST Planet, VST Warehouse. I would just do a quick search on this. I've been linking them in the bottom, hopefully, on most of my videos. So there should be a link down there. But if not, you can go and find a whole collection of these things and several different of these free VST outlets. You do need some kind of a converter to convert the 32-bit VSTs to get them to work into your program. I suggest JBridge. I've been using this for a long time. It is a paid application, but the simpleness and ease of use and how long I've been using it. And plus, the guy was super cool with emailing me and everything. I think there's some free options now, but back then, JBridge was the cure for it, and I put my stamp of approval on it. I think it was like $18 US. That's a small price to pay, I think. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video, man. EGPs, call your mom. Hit that like and subscribe and the little bell button down there, because we're going to be talking about our VSTs and going through Max for Live and things like that too. It's going to be interesting. So I'll see you guys on the next video. See you later.